Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy right now. In the past 24 hours, the market is doing very well. We are up about 2.35%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Kusama, which is actually a coin we talked about 2 days ago, I believe. And this one is up about 38.4% just on the day right here. So if we take a look here actually at the price action of this one, it was trading at around $300 just 24 hours ago, and now it's up about $90 since then. So it's making some great moves. Definitely one coin that could continue to go higher, and that's exactly what we talked about in the previous video. So if you guys missed out that video, check that out as well. Now, what's going on with the Bitcoin? So Bitcoin pretty much flat once again, trading around this 47,000 area as usual. Volume 35.2 billion, but look at this. Ethereum's volume is very, very close to Bitcoin right there, which we don't see very often. That's actually a lot higher for Ethereum than usual at 27.3 billion volume. Ethereum doing very well. It's actually on kind of like a bull run. We're finally breaking through this 3,400 area. If we can get past that 3,500 area, Ethereum could continue this run very, very hot. It is up about 6.68% right now. Cardano pretty much flat. Binance flat. Ripple's up about 6% or so. Then we obviously have everything up or down a percent. Polkadot and Uniswap are destroying it right here. 20% almost and 11%. And then obviously every other altcoin is pretty much up or down a little bit, with some outliers like Aave down here as well. So market is performing very well right now, even with Bitcoin being flat. Ethereum is, charging pretty much the bull run. So very nice to see. Now let's get into it, guys. But before we get into it, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are in the description. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you currently buying? So the first altcoin is going to be Filecoin, FIL. This one, I don't believe I've ever talked about this one on the channel. So brand new coin for the channel for everybody listening. It is up about 8% in the past 24 hours. It is trading at $75.83. In the past week, it's up about 2%. In the past month, 45.7%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, 219.29%. Now, as you can see, this one was at the lows here in July at around $41 and, hit highs here about $79. So about a 90% gain or so in about a month or so. So this one is still, not outperforming the market or not keeping up with the market, I guess you could say, as we were here at highs of over $237 in March 31st. So this one is still falling behind the market, not performing as well as some of these other altcoins. And that's the opportunities that we're looking for. We're always looking for coins that are, not exploding already on the upside and could have that upside potential in the future. And Filecoin definitely fits that criteria. Market cap right now on this one, 7.6 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 974.1 million. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. FIL tokens are used as a payment for these services as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. So, this one, just to get back to where it was here at the all-time highs, it would be at around 20 billion market cap or so, give or take a few billion. So we still have plenty more potential, over about 200% potential upside, just to get back to the all-time highs that we were trading at right there. So, this coin still is, lagging behind the rest of the market, not making that performance that we've seen with these other altcoins. And that's something we talked about in yesterday's video, actually, where some altcoins are outperforming the market and some are not, obviously. So it can go either one way or the other, or it can trade just as, the rest of the market is as well. So we have these 3 different scenarios that we're seeing right now in the crypto space. And, Filecoin is on the down trend of this, I guess you could say, area. So it's not outperforming like some of these other ones like Solana, which is like skyrocketing all-time highs right now, compared to Filecoin, where it's pretty much trading flat. So that's going to be our first altcoin that we're going to be watching for the month of September. Our second altcoin is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple, finally making some movements here in the past 24 hours. It is up about 5.6%, trading at $1.18. In the past week, it's up 3%. Past month, 57%. And, we had a resistance area here at around 130, 135. Couldn't break through it. Pulled back down, traded sideways for a little bit. Now we're waiting for this upside once again. In the past year, this coin is still up over 297.8%. Doing very well. It was trading at around 24-25 cents last September. Went up to highs here in April at around $1.96, almost $2. Pulled back down with the market, obviously. all the way down to lows of about 50 cents or so. And now we've been seeing this uptrend up over 100% from the lows to the high area. Market cap 54.4 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 5.8 billion. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with, Ripple, which you should be because it was one of those top coins actually, like in 2017, it was one of those top, big dogs, I guess you could say. XRP is the cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network. Built for the enterprise use, XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So this is one of those old school coins, like I said. Here, if we look at the all-time chart, here actually in 2017, it hit highs of about $4, I believe. The high was right there, almost $4 in January. And we have not gotten even close to hitting those highs. Anytime after that, we hit about $2. So that means we still had about 100% upside just to get back to those 2017 prices. So still lagging behind, but it also has a lot of other things going on right now when itself with like different things. If you take a look here, in light of the SEC's action against Ripple Labs, trading in XRP has been suspended as of January 19, 2021. So there's a lot of different things going on with Ripple there. And, that's not something that we're going to get into, obviously, but definitely one of those coins to be watching for upside potentially in the future when things start to, kind of settle down and the dust goes away. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then our third altcoin is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So Link is up about 6.19%. In the past week, it's up about 2.79%. In the past month, 16%. Past year, 64%. Once again, it was trading at around $13 here, hit highs of about $28 or so. So from the bottom to the top, up over 100% in about a month or so. So for anybody that got in July at that bottom and, traded it all the way up to the top, or even at these levels right now, you'll be up about 80, 90, or 100% profit, which is insane. Let's say you invest $1,000, you'll be up about $800 to $1,000, which is a great return to get in about, a month or so, 100% profit. That's insane. You wouldn't get about that type of return probably for about 10 years in the stock market. So you just made in 1 month what somebody would make in 10 years trading the same amount of money into a stock, let's say. So Chainlink is definitely doing very well. Last year, we were trading around $14 or so, hit highs here of about $53 in May, pulled back down. We still have about 100% upside just to get back to those all-time highs that we saw right there. Market cap 11.9 billion, volume in the past 24 hours at 1.6 billion. If we take a look down here, for those of you who are not familiar with Chainlink, this is going to be an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on the Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So Chainlink, it's definitely those coins, in the top 10, I would say, top 15. Most popular coins that people are trading right now, and a lot of potential for the future, a lot of upside, I guess you could say. So I would not be surprised if Chainlink was trading at a 50 billion market cap or higher in the next few years, obviously, or maybe even 100 billion market cap in 5, 10, 15 years. So there's plenty of upside potential, 10x gain, a 10x potential for Chainlink. So definitely one to be adding to your radar to see how it's going to perform in the next couple of years. So those are the three altcoins we're going to be talking about. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market like we said, and we'll start off hot with Ethereum, which is up about 6.99%, almost 7% now. Yesterday when we talked about it, it was trading at around 3,200. Now here we hit highs of about almost 3,500 here early Tuesday morning. Then we traded sideways the rest of the day going into Wednesday morning. So now in the past week it's up 8%. Past month it is up about 35%. And what did we talk about for the past few weeks? So we talked about this area where Ethereum was trading around this 3,100 area to 3,300 area since August 8th. So pretty much 3 weeks or so we've been trading at these levels. And I kept saying we're going to be waiting for the breakout on the upside, and that's exactly what's happening right now. So this needs to continue. If we can break through the 3,600 area and continue to go higher and higher, that is going to be very nice. And like I said, slow and steady wins the race. Right here in April, last April, or this April that we just passed, we saw a huge run up where Ethereum pretty much went up 100% in a matter of about 3 or 4 weeks. Now here, it's been about a month and it's slowly going up, and we like to see nice and steady because then it's not overbought and not overextended, and not, a lot of people are jumping in just on hype, and then it gets sold off and then, takes a huge dive like it did here. So nice and steady here, traded sideways, consolidated, and now we're seeing this uptrend. So beautiful right there. Market cap 401.7 billion. And then like we said, the volume is definitely picking up on this one. So Ethereum is looking very, very nice right now, and we hope that this one continues into the next few months. Now, Bitcoin pretty much trading flat again. Hit highs here on Tuesday morning at around 48,000, and then a sell-off happening into the rest of the day. So Ethereum is definitely outperforming it right here. On the 1 week, it's up about, we're actually down about 1.8%. Past month, up 12%. Past year, up 292%. But similar pattern to Ethereum, but it seems like the consolidation is kind of just starting. So we might see this 46 to 50,000 area consolidated for a while, and then we might see a breakout, hopefully, or obviously it could go down lower. Market cap 882.8 billion right now. Volume, like we said, still at around 34 billion or so. But Ethereum is right on its back. It's right behind it. It's catching up slowly. But the market cap still, Ethereum would have to 2x pretty much to just get close to Bitcoin, which would make Ethereum trade around $7,000. So that's going to take a while to get up to. But eventually, we believe that Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin. Then we have Doge. Doge pretty much not doing much in the past month. I mean, it's just trading kind of up, down a little bit. It's up about 1.69% the past 24 hours, trading at 28 cents. In the past week, down 4%. Past month, up 32%. But we've been trading at these levels for 2 or 3 weeks with a little bit of a downtrend actually now. So we went from 16 cents or so to about 34 cents, and now we're seeing a downtrend, 28 cents or so. So Dogecoin is definitely not performing as well as the rest of these altcoins that are, kind of booming. Doge is kind of just staying right there. Market cap at 36.2 billion, still very far away from the all-time highs. Obviously, we would need over 100%, 150% just to get close to those all-time highs, which I don't think we'll ever get to, but that's another whole story. So guys, right now the market is looking good. Things are looking green. We're seeing even 20% on some of these altcoins. So there's always opportunities, and that's something we always talk about on this channel. There's always opportunities. You just have to get out there and find them. Obviously, when something gets beaten down, really hard and it's low, that's when you want to get it. Obviously, on the low, you don't want to buy at the top because then you'll get stuck bag holding. Just like with Solana, we talked about yesterday how it broke through the $100 area, and we said that we might see a little bit of a sell-off on Solana now, and that's exactly what's happening, as you can see here. So it is taking a little bit of a breather, and that's what, we don't want to buy the top. We want to buy when it's down and then ride it on the way up as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. And if you guys want to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are in the description for that as well. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you going to be buying in the month of September? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Speak to your financial advisor before investing. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand that there's a high risk, high reward type situation investing in the crypto market. Speak to your financial advisor.